Tamashan Cable Television, and we are currently at the Philippine International Convention Center for Turn On, The Change Begins, an event of the Society of Information Technology Enthusiasts. So, how is this GA different from the previous one?
This is very different simply because after 2 years, ngayon na lang siya ulit nangyari. Parang na-excite kasi yung mga tao. So yung excitement ng mga tao, yun yung nag-boost sa kanila para maging kakaiba tong GA na to. And yung mga former GAs namin, puro performances lang siya. Pero this time, part na yung mismong IT community kasi meron kaming competition na gagawin, magkakalaban per year level. And syempre, the change begins. So yung changes ng aming department ay maha-highlight sa mismong
You're the only thing I know. So won't you take
I expect na marami pang event na mangyayari, hindi lang GA. Although, ito na yung biggest event. Pero, nag-expect ako na marami pang opportunities para mag-acquaint yung IT students kasi yung relationship po namin parang makatulong din sa mga bagay-bagay, mga gano'n.
It has been a night to remember for the attendees, and I'm sure that the members of SITE have found a new family in UST. Once again, this has been Isha Aracho for the Tamashan Cable Television.